Hello and welcome back to JayTechTips. Today I'm going to be doing a video on how to use remote desktop connection. I did one of these back in early 2019, but it was no audio and just really simple, so I'm going to do a more explained version. So first thing you need, well, this isn't a must, but it's just good, is to check that the device you're trying to connect to is online. So for this you can just use the device's IP, and the device is still turning on, so it will just time out for now. Or you can also use the device's name, although I don't think this will work because it's not on the same domain. Let's just grab another session open. And we'll just ping the device. There we go, so it's online. As you can see, we're getting a reply from it. I don't think this will work. Never mind, it will. So the machine's on. As you can see, the IP is the same as the name. So now we want to open up something called remote desktop connection. Now once you've got this open, you can then type in your machine name or IP. I'm going to do the name, so it's ace-dc. Then we're going to connect to it. And then type in our domain information. So the domain for the server I'm attempting to connect to is Ace Media. And then I put in the credentials. It'll take some time, but then it will load up like this. And as you can see, it's secured and verified, as well as with a good connection. So now you can see that it works, which is great. And another good thing about remote desktop connection is that you can just simply copy files over. So if I were to copy this file over to my session, I can just paste. It also works with text and other things like that. It's just really simple. And now in remote desktop, we have access to the machine as if we'd connected it through a monitor and everything else. So it's the full working machine with everything and all the apps, everything. So thank you guys for watching, like and subscribe, and I shall see you all in the next video. See ya.